Well, today I'm going to walk you through what happens when you take delivery of your new van. So guys, once you take delivery of your Noovo, to access the control components which will allow all your electrical systems to turn on, you will take these cushions off. Underneath these cushions, you will have your panel. This panel, it's super easy to lift up, just pull it up like that. It can just rest there. Your master switch, it's actually just going to be this gray box right under here. Turn that to green. That will turn the breakers to all your power on. Then you will swing over right here and you will flip upward into the up position your solar breaker. And then right back here, you will find a little tiny black box with a yellow switch on it, which you will flick up into the upward position. That's your 12-volt breaker. Well, that's going to feed all your lighting and other electrical components. So let's get into it. Okay, so once all those breakers are flipped on, up here on your Victron display system, you will see what says PV charger. PV charger is the solar wattage you're getting in real time. So right now we're in Vegas, it's cloudy outside. We're still getting 174, give or take, watts of power drawn in from the solar panels up top. You'll have 400 watts of solar up top, two separate 200-watt panels. Thermostat system, that 12-volt breaker with that yellow switch, that is what turns this guy on. It operates very similarly to a thermostat inside your house. It's just touchscreen, so you'll just click on the temperature, turn it up or down, just set the ambient. That is for the heating system. If you want to have access to your hot and cold water, you'll click on furnace. It'll illuminate orange there in a second, and then you will hit off water on. Right here will show your fluid temperature on a color. It will be blue. And then once a few minutes go by, you will have hot water. That blue circle will illuminate to orangish red.